welcome back to Pure Lottie. So today's video is a speed review video. So if you're interested in hearing my thoughts on some products that I have used more than once, then make sure you keep watching. And if you like today's video, don't forget to hit thumbs up down below because it really helps me out. And if you're new, don't forget to join my family. Hit that subscribe button and change that notification bell to all so you don't miss any of my future videos. Alright, let's jump in. So super quick before we jump in, if you want to know how I did this look, it is using the Natasha Denona Mini Love Palette. I have a video on it. If it is posted pre this video, then I'll link it above for you. If it isn't, then keep an eye out for it because it is coming in the next few weeks. So first up, I'm going to go through a few products that I have tried. Then I have some products that my mother-in-law tried for me. Majority of it was the skincare from my lumiboxes. And then I'll jump back and do some more products that I have used as well. So first up is a Colourpop Super Shock Shadow. I have re-fallen in love with this. It has made its way back to my table and it's pretty much my inner corner highlight in almost every look that I do at the moment. So it is in the shade Ice Dream. It looks like this. And I have actually hit pan on it. I'm not sure if you're going to be able to see that. Can you see that a little bit in the center there? But it is absolutely stunning. I'll just quickly swatch it for you. How pretty is that? Let me turn the lighting down a bit. It is so pretty. So yes, I have re-fallen in love with this. I absolutely love Colourpop Super Shock Shadows. They're stunning, especially when you want that bright shimmer glittery look. So yeah, I absolutely love it and have placed it back on my desk again. The next product that I have is from Focalure. This is a product I previously loved late last year, and then it's been sitting in my drawer for a few months and I've pulled it back out and absolutely loving it again. I'm actually wearing it on my lips today. It is from their Luxe range and it is in the shade 40 Rose. It is this liquid lipstick. I really love the shade. I don't like the drying feeling, so I tend to put lip gloss on with it so it isn't super long wearing if you do put lip gloss with it. But this is what it looks like without any lip gloss. And it is super pretty and yeah, I really love it. The next product is an eyeliner and it is from Colourpop and it is one of their cream gel liners. I had never used any of their eyeliners previously, but when I brought the Raw Beauty Christy palette, I added a few liners that she liked in. I did miss out on the set that she had, but I added some of the ones that were like Christy's favorites. So this one is in Sub-Zero and it's like a yellowy gold look. And I fell in love with this last month. I used this quite a bit in my endo looks. It is absolutely stunning. It is like a gold, like shimmery color. It is beautiful. And I really love this formula. I do have some other shades, but this is the one that I have been using the most. But all of them are absolutely stunning and they apply so smoothly and nicely, but they're not too fragile so they don't break. So I'm going to jump into some products that I have on my phone. So I will add pictures of what they are above. So the first product here is from Murad and it is the AHA/BHA exfoliating cleanser. So my mother-in-law used this and she used it 2 or 3 times. She said that it exfoliated her face nicely and left her face feeling quite hydrated. It was easy to use and she had no irritation with it. She said on the packaging it says only 2 to 3 times a week can it be used. And yes, she is okay with only using it that many times. Would she repurchase this item? She said depending on price. If it was like maybe a sale item, she could definitely pick it up. But if it's like full price, she probably wouldn't. But it does do a great job for her. Now, she does have mature skin and she is a darker skin tone than me, and she doesn't have sensitive skin and she is quite oily. The next product that she has used a few times, this is the Low and Grip Healthy Glow Body Scrub. So she said that it smelled really nice, very luxurious. She scrubbed her body with it and didn't feel dry. She actually felt quite nice using it. So she said if money wasn't an issue, she would definitely repurchase this one again because it does leave her skin feeling super nice. The next product is also from Low and Grip, and it is their body balm. So she uses this after the body scrub. She said that the two together is such an amazing combination. The balm is very rich and it does smell really nice. It absorbed into the skin really quickly, which she appreciated, and it has left her body feeling really nice and soft. She said that the texture on the back of her upper arms is gone and her skin feels super smooth using this. She said that she would definitely purchase this product again if money wasn't an issue. The last product she has tried out for us is the Tony Moly I'm Pomegranate Mask Sheet. And she said that it smelled nice, it left her skin nice and soft, there was no issues, it was easy to use. So she would definitely use that again. So those were the 4 products that she has used. These 4 products were all from my lumiboxes. If you don't watch those videos, I don't actually use any new skincare that I get at the moment. Just because I have such sensitive skin, I am sticking to my staples because I did have some really bad reactions when I was trying out some new products. So I am waiting to find out from the dermatologist exactly what it is that I'm allergic to, so then I can start looking into some other products and trying some new skincare out for all of my sensitive people out there. So the rest of the products are all products that I have used myself. So first up is also from Colourpop, and it is the Raw Beauty Christy Cross Colourpop Lip Gloss. I have fallen in love with this. I love putting this on top of pretty much any lipstick. It is super nice. It's not sticky. It is basically beautiful. It is a glittery, like clear color, so it doesn't really have like a pigment to it, so it layers on really nice on top of like lipsticks and stuff. My favorite is using my Flower Beauty Spiced Petal lipstick and then popping this on top. This has now gone into my bag because I love it so much. The next one is also from the Raw Beauty Christy Cross Colourpop collab, and it is the lip gloss in Wildflower. This one here has more of a pigment to it. I will swatch these for you. And I really like this as well. It's a very light pigment, so it's not over the top, but I really like this for like an everyday use. I'm just going to swatch the other one, Glacier, for you. So that's the two there. So you can see one is more clear and glittery and the other one's more of like a nudie shade. I really love them. This one lives in my bag now. This one here I have been reaching for quite a bit. So yeah, I've fallen in love with them. The formula is really nice. It's not super sticky. I mean, it doesn't last ages. It is a gloss. It's gonna come off, but I'm okay with that because it is hydrating my lips. It's not drying them out. So yeah, I really love these two products. The next product is from Slick Stick. So I actually got this in my Lumi box. I think it was in December's Lumi box, and I have almost finished this one. I actually purchased another one through the pop-up store, but this is fantastic for flyaways. I absolutely love it. I use it when I put my hair up in like a bun because it gets rid of all these little baby hairs that are at the front. So yeah, I really love this and I highly recommend it. It also doesn't leave my hair like super dry and hard. Like I can still brush through my hair the next day and wear my hair up, so I don't have to like wash my hair directly after using this, which is great because I don't like washing my hair more than once a week because I do have such fine hair and I do have long hair. I need to let, you know, the natural oils do their thing. So yeah, I absolutely love this. 3 more products for you guys. So the next products are 2 lip liners. So the first one is from Nude by Nature, and this one is in the shade Soft Pink. I think this was in my advent calendar at Christmas time. So it is absolutely stunning. I have been doing a lot of lip liners, filling in my lips with them, and then using a lip gloss on top of them. And it is super nice and it's not super drying. It doesn't last super long, but it lasts longer than just having gloss on. My next one is from Gorgeous Cosmetics, and this was in last month's Lumibox. This is in Quiana, and I've been really loving this shade as well. This one is more of like a brownie nude. The other one is more of like a pinky nude. So I've just been alternating between the two and then chucking some lip gloss on top of it. And the lucky last product is the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. So I did get this in Lumibox as well, and my first impression of it was I wasn't 100% sold on it. I wasn't super impressed, but I wasn't super disappointed either. I've actually fallen in love with it over the last few months. Because I have it, I wanted to keep using it so it didn't go to waste. And I have been using this as my daily mascara now. It works really nicely with my L'Oreal Lash Paradise primer. And I am wearing it today. I don't have the primer on, but I have the mascara on, and I really like it for a daily one. So yeah, I really love this mascara. I don't think I will repurchase it again just because of the price point, but it's definitely a really nice one to have in your collection. I would still hands down go for my Lash Paradise versus the Better Than Sex mascara any day, or even my Essence Lash Princess. I still would 100% recommend them over this any day, but this is a really nice high-end mascara. So that is my speed review video. I hope you enjoyed that. If you did, don't forget to hit the thumbs up down below because it really helps me out. And if you're new, don't forget to join my family. Hit that subscribe button and change that notification bell to all so you don't miss any of my future videos. And as always, thanks for watching, guys. Bye!